Making an entrance, the art of being noticed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, making an entrance. This expression is rich in meaning and used in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply want to expand your vocabulary, understanding this phrase will add flair to your communication skills. Let's get started. Making an entrance refers to the act of entering a room or space in a way that captures everyone's attention. It's not just about walking through a door. It's about doing so with style, confidence, and sometimes dramatic flair. This phrase can be used both literally, like when someone enters a party in a stunning outfit, or figuratively, to describe someone making a significant impact upon arrival in a new job or role. The concept of making an entrance has its roots in theater and performances, where the manner in which characters enter the stage can set the tone for their role in the play. Over time, this theatrical term made its way into everyday language to describe impactful real-life entrances. It captures the idea of drawing attention and leaving a lasting impression, whether it's through one's appearance, demeanor, or timing. At social events, someone who makes an entrance at a party might be dressed in a striking outfit or arrive in a way that turns heads. In professional settings, a new CEO could make an entrance by implementing significant changes on their first day, immediately establishing their leadership style. In storytelling and media, characters in movies or books might make an entrance that defines their personality or sets up important plot developments. Making an entrance is about confidence, timing, and sometimes preparation. Here are a few tips. Dress appropriately but with a unique touch that represents your personality. Be aware of your body language. Stand tall and make eye contact. Timing is key. Sometimes, arriving a little after an event has started ensures more eyes are on you. Make a positive impression by greeting people warmly and engaging in conversations. Making an entrance is more than just showing up. It's about making your presence felt and remembered. Whether you're walking into a job interview, a social gathering, or stepping onto a new stage in life, understanding how to make an impactful entrance can be a valuable skill. We hope this video has illuminated the nuances of this expressive phrase and inspired you to make your entrances memorable. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.